what time it is. Your boy Blake's in the house teaching you how to cook like a Jamaican, like a pro cook on your yard, eat for your yard.
There are true changes that are needed to be made. It's a word. Something that each and every one of us have in us and we don't even realize how powerful that word is.
You look far, man.
Huh?
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
They can try. They spend
You got someone to play
millions
that
of
whole
dollars on trying to prevent drugs. The only thing that we have is that secret weapon. And it's called L-O-V.
Lexi,
And that word love is going to shine a light that you may see.
Jojo, Aiden.
The word love
the
is
fish look
strong.
nice up here.
Let me say it to you over and over, not the
Cheese, say cheese.
Well, I guess all I can say is
Say cheese.
And I sincerely mean that, folks. I'm here not to waste my time anymore, because I've wasted enough already.
I don't think anything
What I've done is I've put the gun down.
I think what we might have to do is microwave everybody's plate.
How can you express love to those who are out there like
Get someone over
myself?
the candle out. What they call those
Can
little
you
things
help
on
them
the
that they
thing?
Oh yeah, the warmers, the tray
They
warmers.
can stop dealing with the drugs. It all happened as I was saying to you before. In Orlando, Florida, I was walking around with a gun in my waist, just waiting for a good reason to squeeze it out.
What are you guys doing?
And believe me, you're on
Jojo.
the street and you're running around with a
Aiden.
gun.
Aiden.
You're always looking out for
Get everybody in the picture
guys
tonight.
gonna rub
Huh?
just the
Get
wrong
everybody in the picture, man.
just
I
the wrong
think I did.
Whole family.
because it feels
I think maybe out there people finish stuffing themselves.
Let me tell you, the man that's out there with that gun, I trust him. This
Of it, we have some turkey breast salad, and come over here so we can show you. And cucumber. You're gonna like this one, guys. Let's go over here and check out the recipe. And our next video, we're gonna keep it delicious and healthy.